Hello, I'm going to take you through a quick Jamboard tutorial. So from your Google window, you're going to navigate over to your waffle and you're going to scroll down. There are some additional applications that automatically come with our G Suite, and Jamboard is one of them. You can click on the Jamboard and it will upload Jamboards that you've used before, but in order to create a new one, go to the bottom right hand corner and it says New Jam. From here, you will see that you can change the background. You can have different features over here. You won't be able to actually upload an image as a background unless you were to search for an image and then put the picture the size of the slide. Then from here, you can add a pen feature and you can write text. This is definitely not my preferred mode, but it's definitely something you can do. Navigate into there. This is the erase feature, and you can just cover over what you want to erase. You have your cursor feature, your sticky note feature, and from here you can select which color sticky note, or you can have no color. You can upload it and you can automatically add more, and you can change the size of your Jamboard. If you are using it with students, they will find the twisting feature where they can move this and navigate it in any which way. The triple dot feature allows you to edit, duplicate, or delete sticky notes. This is the image that we were talking about where you can upload any sort of image. You can do a Google image search. You could put demo. Click on the image, select, and your image will pop up. Again, you can resize it to make it really large, or you can have it really small and put it in the corner. This is another feature that allows you to draw, and then it goes away. Some additional features you will find with Jamboard that can be a little bit challenging is that if you click the right arrow, it automatically adds more Jamboards. The same is true if you're a student who has access. If that happens to you, you can press the expand frame bar and you can move the frames into a different order in case you decide that something that you had on slide 3 you'd really rather have as the first slide. From the triple dot feature, that's how you can delete the additional slides that were added to the Jamboard. You can go back up, and then when you go to share it, you want to make sure that you go down to this Get Link portion if you're sharing it through a link. You want to make sure that anybody with the link from MPUSD is an editor. If you want students to write on it, they need to be an editor. If you just want them to view what's already been done, you can have it be viewer. However, you will run into some problems if you are using this in your class and you want the students to add to the Jamboard.